Okay, it's the 24th of January. It's a Thursday afternoon. Rainy couple of days coming up here. This is this afternoon. Rains to the north, but the steadier rain will sag down northwest to south, east, and as you can see, this takes you to around 10 o'clock tonight. Most of the states got rain except the southeastern corner in New Jersey, but that'll slowly get covered in rain. This is around 1 a.m. and this is around 2 a.m. And now we're letting up here out in western PA, and all the rain has moved into PA and now is moving into New Jersey. No snow, no sleet, no freezing rain with this system right now. It's over with what you had last night and early this morning. This is around 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and it's sagging off to the southeast this is around 9 in the morning, 10 in the morning, 11 tomorrow morning. Here's noon, and here's 1. And interesting part is as this pulls away, we have another piece of energy coming here from the west, and that'll come out over the southern part of the state during Thursday, and then it clears Thursday night, and then as we move into early Friday, this is around midnight Thursday night into Friday, a piece of energy goes from the west and back across the state, but this time the southern part of the state kind of stays out of it, but this rain here is a little bit more heavier than the previous batch of rain coming through. This takes you to around 6 in the morning. You can see it's in Jersey and to the north, mostly in New York, but some showers across the state of Pennsylvania. And then this takes it to Friday afternoon and just a couple of sprinkles here and there. Okay, and this is total amount of precipitation between now and say early Friday, Saturday morning. You can see basically across the state a half an inch to maybe 3/4, with some areas spotty inch or more where there's heavier showers and stuff. And because of a second band that comes across here, southern New Jersey and northern Delaware kind of get a little bit more rain. And then up in New York, where I said it was a little bit heavier, because the front goes up that way and they get more precipitation. They're also in that inch to inch and a quarter range up there. Now, Sunday, when a lot of people will be watching the NFL championship games, we have a low pressure system. If you look way down here, you can see it. It's off of Virginia, Delaware, down, it's getting close to Delaware, but off of Virginia here. And it's moving up, and it's in a good spot. It's in a very sweet spot. Um, there's warmer air around, but it's going to cool quickly because of the circulation that goes around the low pressure system. It just might take a little bit of time for the cold air to settle in, but this can get interesting, especially in the northern part of Pennsylvania and northern parts of New Jersey. And this is in the evening, around 5 o'clock. Here's 8 o'clock at night. And boy, is that in a nice spot, right? Doesn't that look good there? That's what we've been waiting for. And you can see it spreads its moisture all the way back into Pennsylvania here. This is around 11 o'clock, and Jersey just might be a little bit too warm, unfortunately. But this comes up and it kind of meanders here. This is around 5 a.m. It doesn't come up the way most of them do, but it's still in a sweet spot for a lot of Pennsylvania. And then this fades, goes off to the east. It can't go north. So then the precipitation on Monday continues in eastern PA and Jersey. And then as we get into the afternoon hours, you can see it starts to moodle away. How much snow? Well, right now it's a guesstimate, but I'll tell you what the Euro has, and usually the Euro's pretty close. Okay, this is the Euro. It's excited about this storm. It would bring snow again to Philadelphia, most of New Jersey except the southern part of New Jersey, and would put a big dump on Berks County, Lehigh County, up into the Poconos, Luzerne County, Wayne, Pike, Monroe. This really does a number. Schuylkill, even down here towards Lancaster, between 5 to 6, 7 inches down there. Out towards Harrisburg, you get like 6. So this would do a number. I mean, if you're up here in northern New Jersey, more than a foot. Yeah, this 14.8 would be Mount Pocono. Even New York City would have another snow, a little bit heavier than the others. This puts it between 5 and 6 inches up here. So quite interesting. If you're in Trenton, 4 or 5 inches. So got to keep an eye on this. Again, it's Wednesday, and this is basically Sunday night into Monday. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on this. Other models show the snow, but not as excited as the Euro. So we got to see where this goes from run to run. And this is using the 12Z on the Euro model, and right now. So I'm showing you that. So really, when I show these things, it's an outlook, okay? It's different from a forecast. This is an outlook. This shows you what's on the table, what might happen. Be aware of it, follow it, keep an eye out, make your plans accordingly that something like this could happen. All right, and I'll update this again tomorrow, and we'll see where we're at. So as of right now, that's what the Euromap shows. And it shows, again, New York and stuff up here, you don't get it because the low, once it comes up, gets to the coast here by Delaware and Virginia, and then it feeds out east, and so doesn't give the opportunity for the snow to go much west and north. So that's kind of why it looks like this. All right, rain, then snow. We see where we go. All right, this is Fred. Take it easy. I try to appease thee.